In the early 20th century, within the vast Indian subcontinent under British rule, a deep fear grew among its large Muslim minority. They worried their unique culture and political rights would be erased in a future Hindu-majority state. This fear gave birth to a political movement, the All India Muslim League, which found its ultimate leader in Muhammad Ali Jinnah. A brilliant lawyer, Jinnah championed the two-nation theory, the idea that Muslims and Hindus were distinct nations deserving their own sovereign states. This demand was formally declared in the pivotal 1940 Lahore Resolution. When Britain finally departed after World War II, the subcontinent was tragically split. The rushed partition unleashed one of history's largest and most violent mass migrations. But through this fire, a new nation was forged. On August 14, 1947, Pakistan was declared independent. A hard-won homeland, the culmination of a decades-long dream for millions of Muslims in South Asia.